Hi, this is Bill. So basically in this demo, we'll be discussing about adding reports to a form. And on this the picture, you will see that there is a bar chart displayed inside of a ServiceNow form. Now, as we scroll down, it's quite straightforward to add it since this is an out-of-the-box capability of ServiceNow. So if you go to design forms and go to field types, there's a type chart that you could basically drag into a section that will basically allow you to display a form. And of course, the type would not be enough, right? You need to put a name and also configure it accordingly so the correct data will be displayed. And as we scroll down further, you will see here how it is basically done. So it's quite straightforward as you configure. So you're gonna put a name, how to display it, right? So it gives you the height, which table to reference, the form field, and so on. And as we scroll down further, the data can be filtered out using reference qualifiers. So you could find it more on this link here. As you click it, it will take you to the ServiceNow documentation. And in this instance, it's asking you to configure it to true. So I always remind you that it's the thoroughness that will give you the correctness and the integrity of your work. So there are developer tips. Make sure that you read it and it is applied. Okay, on the next lesson, I will show you how it's done. I'll see you on my next video.